Hey everybody, it's Mr. D here, learning at home again. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, enjoying watching learning videos and trying new things out to get better every day. Today we are going to talk about building numbers again because that's our goal this week is building numbers. Now we built a lot of numbers using 10 frames. Built a lot of numbers using tally marks. We've used a lot of built some numbers just using equations. But today we're going to use build numbers again with place value. Now again, you can use some things at home. I have my P seed right there. Okay, I know it's hard to see, but there's my P seed. That's going to represent our ones place. Okay, and then we're going to have our color pencils. They're going to represent our 10 sticks. So like if I was going to count by tens with my 10 sticks, I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so 10 sticks makes 10 sticks makes 100. But I could also show you how that works out for ones as well. Okay, so you just count by ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I wanted to, instead of carrying 10 seeds around, I would just take my pencil, cash that in, because 10 ones makes one whole 10. So I could just take my P seeds out of there, and that's my same number, 10 ones or 10 as a 10 stick. Now, so here's my question. How can I make the number 12? Or how can I make the number 16? Okay, I don't want to make 16 ones, I only have 10 ones. Okay, so I'm going to take one 10 stick and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my number 16, 1 and a 6. So building numbers using some place value, manipulatives, whatever you have at home. Something obviously really small would be a ones. The longer stick is going to be a 10 stick. Later on this week, I'm going to introduce the hundreds, but right now we're just going to use tens and ones to make numbers. Now today, what we're going to try to do is I made three number strips where you could basically write the numbers in. It's basically like a number line, just looks a little bit bigger. I know you guys at home some people have 100 charts, some people have 120 charts, some people have 200 charts. So you could use this as well because today we're going to try to build the missing number. So what I would do is I would, somebody at home could cover up a number right here. So like I'm going to cover up right there. Okay, so you can't see that number right there. Okay, you can't see it. So what I have is I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, blank 15. Show me what's missing. All right, so what I would do is I would take my 110 stick, because I know that there's a 110 in there, like 110, and then I would take 4 ones, because between 13 and 15 is 14, and I have 110 stick and 4 ones. Okay, and there's a number 14. I uncover it to make sure I know that I made 14, and voila, I made 14. Okay, here's another way you can do it. Now we're going to try higher numbers as we go because we want to challenge ourselves. We want to be able to count within 100 and 120. So I'm going to start out, and notice how I didn't start out with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to try that, you can, but you can also do some different things as well. So I'm going to start out this time 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. This at home, it'll give you some practice, writing the numbers, keeping the numbers in order. So there's all sorts of good learning going on here. So you can see the numbers that I wrote down. I'll fold the one that I already used over. So there you have it. I have 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 67. So let's say somebody home covers up. Let's see that number right there. Okay, so 48, 49, 50, 51, covered up 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. How am I going to build that number? So let me think. Okay, I have 5 in the tens column, 5 tens. So that means we're going to need 5 10 sticks. So I'm going to count by tens right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so I know I have 50. Now, my spot is in between 51 and 52, 53. So I'm going to take 2 ones to put in its place. 5 tens, 2 ones, 52. I uncover it. I see a 5 and a 2. I was right again, so I built it up one more time. Okay, so I'll try it even with higher numbers one more time. So I started with 86, 87, 88, 89. You count along with me at home. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay, so there's another one. I covered that up. Okay, you can now let me fold the one that I used over so it doesn't confuse anybody. Okay, right there. Okay, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Somebody at home covers up the number. I cover that one up. So I have 86, 87. I have someone cover up and I have 89. And then I have 90 here. So that makes you think, all right, I'm going to need 8 tens. Okay, so let's count by tens to build it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then, what's covered up? How many ones? I see it in between 87 and 89. So 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I put another group of 4 there. 4 and 4 make 8. I just need the number 88. Okay, so that's another way to build your numbers that way. So you can do that. You could practice that at home. You could get a huge block and make it hundreds if you really want to challenge that way to make things a little bit harder. But this is another activity that you could do at home to build numbers. You know, use your 100 chart, use your 200 chart. Okay, you can make up stuff like this as well, but just, make it a challenge. See if you can ever stump somebody with building what a number would look like using tens and ones. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching another home video about what you can do at home to learn some math, to build some numbers up. Any questions, feel free to reach out through email. I'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great day.